Can I just say stuff and then you'll be able to splice things up?
I'm Stan Anton, a project executive at TG Basile.
We're here in Fanwood in a newly built apartment building. We are installing waterproof traffic deck coating in their parking garage.
We start out with all the prep work. First, we shot blast the entire area to open up the concrete and give it a specific profile for the product to be able to grab onto. We also fine-tune with hand grinders around the corners. We detail cracks and cove joints as needed. After completing the detailed prep work, we move on to the actual coating installation. In this particular case, this is a 3-coat system which consists of a primer first, then a base coat, a mid coat, and a lock coat to bring it all together. Sand aggregate is broadcast into the system to create slip resistance and give it durability. It is a very good idea to protect your parking structure beforehand before opening it up to traffic while it's new or even existing, to prevent sulfides and water infiltration into the concrete, causing corrosion and potentially very expensive repairs further down the line. The client opted to go with a heavy vehicular traffic system to give them the longest protection and longevity. TG Basile are expert and certified installers of these types of coatings from various manufacturers, including Sika, Limtal, Tremco, and NeoGuard. If you have a project that requires our services, please give us a call.